In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem that TikTok comments are not showing. So as you can see here, I have put some comments and someone had put comments on my videos. But as you can see, there are no available comments showing. So what you want to do for this, the main reason to this is that TikTok is full of cache and full of unused storage. So there are two ways to solve this. So the first way is hit the three dots at the top. Then you can see cache and cellular data. You want to hit free up space and you want to clear the cache. So you want to clear this. Now it's going to remove it. And now you want to check it again. Reload the app. So I reloaded the app right now, and when I go to my comments, you can see for me it will work because there are no comments. But if this still didn't work for you, you have to turn off Wi-Fi. So basically, but if this didn't work for you, you basically have to turn off Wi-Fi and continue on your data of your phone. That's basically how it works. The third solution is to uninstall TikTok and then reinstall it. That could work as well. But these are basically the solutions. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.